Okay, so in the previous video, I showed you how to create a prompt template. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you do that because this video is a continuation of that one. So now that we have created a prompt template, the task is to create an evaluation dataset for this prompt template. So you log into Prompt Judy, click on Evaluation Dataset, click on Create New. Here, let's create an evaluation dataset. Let's give it a name, a description. The name has to be unique across all of your evaluation datasets. And for the purpose of this video, we're just going to stick with the basic evaluator. We have a different video that covers all different types of evaluators, but let's stick to the basic one for now. Let's click on Next. Now here is where you have a lot of options. If you have an Excel file that has a sample data set of the type of questions you're going to run this prompt against, you can upload it here. You can upload JSON. There's a bunch of different options. I'm not going to go through all of them. Let me just show you the easiest way of doing this. You can click on Generate Rows. And here you pick the prompt template that you want to generate the rows for. We want to pick classification. Let's say we want to generate, let's say 5 rows. 5. Click on Next. And we can pick what LLM we want to use to generate. We can click on Next. And then here's a bunch of instructions for the LLM. And you can copy this and paste it in ChatGPT or Claude or whatever. And you can paste the response back here. But in this case, we can run the generation routine within Prompt Judy. Click on Next. Just click on Generate. That was run for a while. So these are the samples that were generated. Now, usually for more complex prompts, I recommend that you generate some of these manually because those are really the ones that will truly capture the nuance of the prompt. But for simpler templates, you could just generate them using an LLM. Click on Apply. So now you have your evaluation dataset rows. Click on Next. Click on Submit. And you're done.